Please come and assist us.
What is the problem? What happened? Please, you can move. Please move. Please. What is the problem?
He has been ill for a while.
Okay.
He's being diagnosed with ulcers. He's also having hypertension, blood pressure.
Yeah.
And he's also been suffering from diabetic. He's also diabetic.
Diabetic.
Ulcers. Hypertension, blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
Yeah.
Oh my
No,
goodness.
we've been around so many hospitals, but we've never had any long-term solution. We've been going around. He's being medicated. We are coming back home after a while. Same situation. Currently, as we speak, we are here from level 5.
Yes.
Yes, we've been there for a whole week. No any other long-term solution. Now we've also given up. We are taking him home. God will decide his fate.
You have been told to take him back home.
Yeah, we just have to go back home.
Just make him relax. Let him sit down. Yes. May Allah give him a shifa. Yes, my people. I know many of you are in this kind of situation, trying to figure out how to get assistance. I know you are in and out of hospital for a while now. But let me tell you this. Good news, the solution is here. But before I continue, just have a look at these photos. Yes, you have seen those photos. Someone with a skin problem. You've seen before and after. Someone with you have seen the scar somewhere. You have seen before and after. You have seen someone with, the old one, but later you've seen is kind of a young person. You know who did that? You know who assisted those people because now they are very well. They are assisted by a company situated in America, Minnesota. Their largest office in Australia. They also have office in the UK. By the name, Eternal Health and Beauty Herbal Company. They have the best medicine around the world. Before I tell you, just look at these medicines. Look at these drugs. Yes, as you have seen, thought medicine. The use of thought medicine by the company I told you, Eternal Health and Beauty Product. They help in joint pains, cleanse the skin, aids in weight loss, abnormal cells in the body like cancer, HIV, depressions. You have seen something like asthma, blood pressure, and even the cough. That comes and doesn't go away easily. They use that medicine to assist people. Many of the people around the world have got assistance through them. They are now well. I know you are seated there and asking yourself, okay, I'm not in this 3 countries that this guy has mentioned. How can I get the medicine? It is very simple, my friend. Very simple. You can also get from where you are seated. Just do this. Their contact is there. That is their contact. Take it. Call them. Talk to Eternal Health and Beauty Product. And your problems, your suffering will be over. Inshallah, with the help of God, it will be over. This guy, I'm going to assist him. Now, another good news. I know some of you look at themselves as very old. They want to become at least young a bit. Now the secret is here. Look at this anti-aging cream. Yes, it is there. Once you use that one, you will become a very young, like from 40 to 30 years, without years going back. Just that cream. It is the best one in the world. will you moyanga? Just try it. You will come to thank me later. Eternal health and beauty product. The health priority in this world. You will get the best medicine. I love you. You will get well. Thank me later.